Hello, everybody. I welcome you to the School Leads platform. Before moving on, let us look at a few very important details. We do not charge anything per student. We give unlimited students, staff, and cloud storage for all subscription plans. And our price never changes for existing users. For more details, you can please check out the contact information in the description and you can directly reach out to us. Let's get started. In this video, let us understand how to promote a student on the School Leads platform. For this, the first thing you need to do is to come on the website schoolleads.com and enter in all of your details and log in. Once you log in, you will be landing on the fee collection dashboard where you can see all of these details about the current month fees collection, yearly fees collection, and other details. And on the left hand side, you will be seeing all of the different features that we provide. Right now, let us look at the Promote Student feature. Once you open the Promote Student option, you will be getting two options. Either you can promote single student or you can promote the entire class. Let us look at each one of them in detail. Once you select Promote Single Student, you will be having all of these options. Here, the sessions are fixed. You cannot change 25-26 to session 26-27. Next thing you need to do is that you need to select the class. So here, we will be selecting UKG Neon, and the student we want to select particularly that we want to promote is Ekjot Kaur, and after that we need to select the class. This is obviously done because after UKG you will be promoted to first wings. Next up we have three different options: keep balances, clear all balances, and clear selected balances. Let us look at all of them one by one in detail. The first option, keep balances, is when you do not want to clear the balances of the student and you want to promote them or carry forward them to the next year. So here we can see all of the details of the student, the pending fees, and the individual breakdown. We will be selecting keep balances and you can add it in the remarks and promote the student, and the student is promoted successfully. And here you can see all of these details about the history, the total promotions, the balance cleared, and all the other details. Now let us see the second option. For this, again, the same process follows. You will have to select the first class. We are selecting First Wings English, and the particular student that I want to promote is going to be Parneet Kaur, and 2 class Second Wings. Now we will be selecting clear all balances. Basically, whatever previous dues are there, you are going to clear it. We will add the same thing in the remarks and promote the student. Perfect. Now finally, let us see the third option. For this, we will be selecting the option of 7th Shades English, and I would like to select Jessica and 2 8th Shades English. And here you can clear selected balances. Basically, out of all of these balances that you can see, you can choose to clear any particular balance. Let us clear the transport balance over here. We will add that in the remarks as well and promote the student. And perfect, we are done. In case you're trying to promote a particular student and facing this error that student already promoted in this session by a new admission, that is basically because the student is a new admission here, hence he is not promoted. Next up, we can see that all of these details in the history option have been updated. You can choose to export it or refresh it as well. Once you scroll down, you will be seeing the filters option. Here you can select any particular class or any particular student and check their status, if they are active, if they are reverted, and you can get all of the different details of the student. Suppose we are selecting First Wings and Sukhvinder Singh over here, and as soon as we apply filters, we can see all the individual details of the student. Next up, we also have two different options on the right hand side. Let us look at these. The rounded arrow basically means if you want to revert some student or hold back their promotion. We can select on this and give some reason for reverting their promotion. And it's done. You can go to the same class and you can see that the student's name is still there, which basically means that they have not been promoted. And if you click on the I button, you will be seeing all of the details about the student, and also you can see who is it promoted by. Right now it's showing fees collection because it's just a demo, but normally it will be showing the name of a particular person. You also have the option for reverting the promotion through here. Now let us see the second option, which is promoting by class. Here also the details of the session will be fixed, and again we need to select a particular class. I want to promote UKG to first, and if you want to select any particular students that you want to hold back or skip from promoting, you can do that over here. Here also we have the same three options. And here we will do the first option, keep balances, and we will promote the entire class. If you can see this option that says that a few students have been skipped from promotion, this basically means that either they are a new student or that you have held them back from promotion. Next up, let's see the second option. We will select first wings to second wings, and we will select Sukhvinder Singh and skip him. Here we are doing clear all balances. Once again, all of the students have been promoted. Next up, finally, let us select third wings to fourth wings English. And here we will select a few students that we do not want to promote to the next class. And now again, the same option, clear selected balances, where you have all of the different balances and you can choose to clear any particular selected balance. And now perfect, we are going to promote the class and it is done. You can scroll down and see that all of the details about the history, the total promotions, the balances, and once again below you can get all of these details. The filter option works the same way. You can select any particular class and any particular student and apply the filters to see their details. You can even filter by using a from date and to date, and you have the same reverting and viewing details option. We also have a new feature now, which is basically reverting multiple students at the same time. Once you come down and you can apply any filter. So right now, let us apply the UKG filter. So basically, we will be getting all the students of UKG. And now you have the option to check box multiple students. And once you do that, you can simultaneously revert all of their promotions as well. And that was pretty much it. We really hope that you enjoyed in this video and learned a lot about the School Deeds platform. In case you have any doubts, feel free to comment them down and we will get back to you. If you like this video, then make sure to like, share and comment, and of course subscribe to our YouTube channel. We will be coming up with a lot more helpful and informational content for you all. Till then, thank you so much for watching.